Super excited! Just got home and I think I know what this is. It's my new, what is it? Nicer Dicer. I think that's why everyone knows it, but it's slightly different brand. This is what happened. I had this one for like, I don't know, 8 years, I think it was. And it started, like I did use it a lot, so it started, the plastic started cracking on there. And this button, well, there you go, it's getting stuck. This wasn't working properly anymore because plastic doesn't last forever, so but it did do a good job for its day, for its time.
Don't worry, I'd hear that thing slamming every night when she was cutting the veggies and everything. Just be bang, bang.
Anyway, it's a good little kitchen tool, and honestly, I don't know what I'd do without it, because sometimes, I'll show you this one. That one there, I probably used and abused that one the most. These little fine
for doing carrots and onions and whatever.
And that one was more for
potato and
bigger
stuff.
vegetables, okay? And that one I'll do wedges and like apple wedges as well. So I did used and abused it really, so I'm not surprised. But anyway,
hence the reason why we got another one, because if it didn't last long with what she was doing, we wouldn't be getting another one.
Yeah, so super excited. Yes, it is the one. I read lots and lots of reviews before I chose this one. I don't even know how to pronounce it. I think it's RUK. I don't know. I'm guessing. I don't know, it looks German, doesn't it? It's probably made in China. Yeah.
like everything else.
Like everything else. But anyway, I hope it lasts as long as the other one. It's got, this one.
I think it's European engineered, that one.
Yeah, but this one's also got an egg slicer, which is cool. A lemon squeezer, which is very cool. And even an egg separator. I mean, I know how to separate an egg by now. I do a lot of baking, so
I think you'd need that bit.
You'd think I would. It's got a little cleaning tool that comes with it, a hand guard, so you don't hurt yourself, because they are pretty sharp apparently. Mandolin slicer, anyway, and all the other.
Well, even the old one was pretty sharp.
Yeah, that's true. Anyway, we're doing the unboxing today for you all. So here we are. I might do a little video when I first use it too. I don't have to wash all the stuff. But that's the main equipment. There's even a little cleaning fork. Pretty cool. Like I said, I did so many checks of reviews. I was there half the night probably, reading all the reviews.
It's supposed to be heavier duty than the other one, and the other one lasted over 10 years, I think.
And this one, surprise, surprise, you got to go on to scan your code to get the manual book and healthy recipe book. So I don't give you those anymore. You got to go online for everything. This feels actually, feel that. That feels a little bit more heavy duty too. Feel that. Plastic. Feels a little bit more sturdy than the other one. So what have we got here? Oops. Oh, and you've got a little, oh, I've never had those. Look, because I keep everything just in that. So I've got this, but then it's got like little compartments where you put them away.
Oh, fancy pantsy.
Loving it. Loving it. A little slicer. That's that one.
It's like Christmas.
I know. Alright, so this one's got a few little attachments. I'll have to work out what these are, I don't know. I don't know what that one is. That's
careful, that could be very sharp.
I have to wash all these. That one's got a little
grater.
Fine grater. Oh, that's pretty intense.
Probably for chips.
Got like
for carrots and stuff.
Look out. And another little
Bigger grater.
grater, which will be good for like chocolate, I think. And then we've got, that even feels more heavy duty than the other one. Feel that?
Take your word for it at the moment.
No, but it does.
Yeah, I'm videoing for you.
Oh, okay, yeah. What else we got here? We got the cleaning brush. Oh, what was that? Oh, that was like a little scraper. Sorry, that was the cleaning brush.
Little wire brush. Oh yeah. Wouldn't tear your gums
That
apart.
one, that must be a little guard that goes on like that, and then these get put into there. So that's the egg.
She's worse than a bloke. She doesn't even read the instructions.
Well,
I'm
I
joking.
will
I
be.
know.
At the moment. Oh gosh.
Oh, that's
So,
the egg
Yeah, that's the egg
slicer.
slicer. I like these things. Cool little contraptions. Lemon juicer and an egg separator. I don't think I'll be using that. See, the kids actually. Oh, I just stabbed myself. Look at these.
What's
That was
that?
I just stabbed myself on the guard that you use, and there's like sharp.
Oh yeah. Come closer.
Oh my gosh. I picked it up
Mm.
and I went like that. Like I picked it up that way. On the guard.
You'd think they'd have a cover on that
That is
in the packaging, but anyway.
what? Look. Look at that in there.
Hmm.
Full on. Doing that as a trap someone falls into. What? Alright. Anyway, last but not least, the cover.
Oh!
So
Wow.
exciting. Anyway, that's it. Yeah. And it fits into that.
Ooh,
Cool. There you go, folks.
folks.
That's it. Some paper.
Oh,
Yay! Alright, anyway, the next part of the video will be trying it out. So this one's got 22 in one. 22 different things you can do. Vegetable chopper.
head for the chopper.
Okay. So once I give it a go and I know that it's good quality and it does what it's supposed to do and more, then I'll be putting a link down in the description for you guys so that you can go to the shop and get one of these for yourself. Alright?
But only if it's up to scratch.
Yeah. Only if it's got the K seal of approval. Cool?
The what?
The K seal of approval.
Not the tick, the K.
My seal of approval.
Yeah.
Anyway, till next time.
Ta-ta.